Hi guys, it's Lindsay here to unbox the July Ipsy bag and the June Ipsy bag. And to also tell you why I canceled. So let's start with June. Okay. So you get 2 of these. Charcoal clay bubble mask. I've personally never have tried a mask, so I'm curious to try these out. By the way, the theme for June was flying colors because it was Pride Month, so they did flying colors. And you also get this little sample size of the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer. I like Makeup Forever primers, they're good, but I have multiple hydrating primers in my collection, so this is kind of boring. Another sample of the mask. You get this lip tint, and the shade is cherry juice. I don't like lip tints because they kind of leak all over the place. This is what I experienced with this one. You get a cream eyeshadow. I'm not really big on wearing cream eyeshadows, but still fun. And you also get a serum, like a everything balm. This is kind of boring because I have multiple in my collection. And then let's box the July bag, and you'll see preferably why I canceled. You get a liquid liner. I've said multiple times in my videos that I do not use liquid eyeliners. I could never get the hang of them. I don't know how to use them. So to me, this is kind of pointless. And the biggest disappointment of them all is this cleanser by First Aid Beauty. This is a cleanser that I've gotten like 4 different times in the years that I've been with Ipsy. I've been with Ipsy for probably 4 years since the beginning, and I've gotten this cleanser 4 different times. This is a good cleanser. I enjoy using it. I'm just really disappointed that I've gotten it like 4 different times, and yeah, so this was probably the biggest disappointment and the reason why I canceled, because I find you get multiple things that you've already like had before in these, especially with Ipsy, and that's the biggest reason why. A mayonnaise jar, like setting powder. This is good. I just have multiple different setting powders in my collection. And the theme for July, it doesn't say a theme on here, but I'm pretty sure it's summer related. Oh well, that's boring. And you also get a brush in here, which the brush is from, I don't know where, but it's a good tapered blending brush. I have multiple of these in my collection, so tapered blending brushes are always good. I love them. But when you have something multiple times over in your collection, I just am not a really big fan of this. But multiples of brushes are good because if you get one dirty, you can always switch off. Oh, and by the way, you get 2 different kinds of masks. My mom actually tried a tea tree oil one. And she said the mask was very flimsy. You could not even get it like out of the package without it tearing. I would not recommend this, and I believe you can see the reason why I canceled Ipsy. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a $10 prescription service. You get a bag each month. I don't think it's worth it anymore to me, especially with getting BoxyCharm. And you guys saw, for $21 a month, you basically get full-size, good products. And to me, Ipsy is basically like a ripoff. If you see what the beauty services are coming out with these days, like BoxyCharm, you get full-size products. But if you're a beginner and you're just starting out and you don't want to spend $21 a month, I believe this is good for a beginner because you get to try multiple different products. But myself, I've been wearing makeup for years, practicing makeup for years, and to me, I got too many duplicates, and you're getting repeat products, and to me, it's just not fun anymore. And I'm not going to waste my money on something that I don't believe is worth my money and my actual value and not enjoying anymore. And if it's not worth the actual money and the actual value to me, it's time to cancel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't a Debbie Downer. I'm not trying to bash on Ipsy. I'm just letting you guys know my feelings. And those are my true feelings. I'm going to be completely honest in these review videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys will stick around, and see you guys later. I love you. Bye.